is image HTML element? Image HTML element is element that we use to insert images inside of our web pages. Image HTML element is empty or self-closing HTML element, which means that it contains only one HTML tag. Inside of our image HTML element, there are two important HTML attributes. There are src or source, which represents location of file that we want to show or display, and alt or alt, which represents text that we want to display in cases if our image is not loaded for any reason. How to set image source location? As we previously said, image source location is set through src or source HTML attribute. When we are working on our website, we will place our website inside of one common folder. Then, like subfolder in that folder, we will have folder with all images that we will use inside of our website. So basically, when we want to set source location, we need to set first what is name of folder, where is our image, then slash, and then name of that file with extension of that file. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.